like Cedar is paradise on earth, like Garden of Eden.
This place is so fairy tale-like. It's just the most beautiful place. You can't believe it until you show up and see it with your own eyes.
It is so fun. There is so much energy. There are so many excellent instructors and speakers.
It's one of the most thoughtful, put together wellness events with so many different concurrent programming so people can pick and choose and kind of choose their own adventure.
The guests are wonderful. They are curious, they are kind, they are open-hearted, they're sharing tips with one another.
I'm motivated to be more at peace and content and be present.
People are so kind, and yeah, I'm excited to come back.
I think the entire retreat has been nothing short of amazing.